What's up guys, Firsthand Account here with another video, and I'm actually bringing back an old series that I used to make on this YouTube channel about a year ago. So I called it Photo Walk, and basically I put the GoPro on top of my Leica Q and walked around downtown and just shot photos of urban landscapes and street photography as well. I decided to make another one of these videos and bring that series back. I made like 2 episodes last winter, and then for some reason it just died out and I never made any more episodes, so I'm deciding to bring the series back, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So my buddy Spencer is back from school for a holiday break, and so the other day we decided to go downtown and shoot some street photography in a blizzard that downtown Minneapolis was experiencing, and it was pretty fun. I took a lot of photos and just walked around for like an hour or an hour and a half. The GoPro doesn't last very long in the cold, probably only like 50 minutes or an hour or so. So I think it died at like 58 minutes or so. I'm not going to put 58 minutes worth of GoPro footage in here, but I will show you guys kind of the highlights, and I hope you guys enjoy the photos. If you guys are new here, please hit subscribe down below. If you like street photography, I make a bunch of videos about street photography, and I have a lot of videos that are coming out very soon about street photography and street photography related cameras and techniques and things like that. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, please hit subscribe below. Other than that, I will get out of the way and just show you guys the footage and the photos. Hope you guys are having a good one. Peace.